Hey everyone, how is it going? Today I'm going to tell you guys how to transfer USDT from Telegram wallet to Bybit. As you can see, we're on the Telegram wallet and then you want to click on send. I don't have any balance, so it's asking me to buy some crypto, but the process is same. You should click on send and then tap on OK and then click on external wallet, and then we're gonna select dollars because we are sending USDT. Click on continue. Now this is very important. Make sure you choose the network that you want to transfer this on. Don't mix this up. Either select TRC20 or TON. But for now, we are selecting TON as an example. So right over here, it should ask you for your deposit address. For that, what you want to do is head over to Bybit. After that, you want to click on deposit. And then right over here, you want to search for USDT. And then as you can see, this is the Tether USDT. We want to click on that. And then it asks you what is your chain type or network. You want to select TON because this is what we selected in the previous one. So we're going to click on OK. And after that, it's going to show you your deposit address. It's showing unavailable because I have not verified my account. But once you copy it, you head back over here, paste it, and there you go. This is how you can do it. Thanks for watching. Please leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials like this, and I'll see you guys in the next one.